If Firefox has no sound on Windows, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when videos play but there's no audio at all. Let's fix it step by step. First, check your system volume and make sure nothing is muted. I mean, sometimes it's just a simple sound setting causing the issue. Next, make sure the Firefox tab itself isn't muted. You can right-click the tab and check audio settings. Now, restart Firefox completely. Yeah, this resets temporary audio glitches inside the browser. Next, open Volume Mixer and check if Firefox is muted separately. I mean, Windows can mute apps individually without you noticing. Now check if your audio is going to Bluetooth headphones or another device. Switching devices can cause missing sound in Firefox. Next, disable Firefox extensions temporarily. Yeah, some add-ons can interfere with media playback and audio output. Now clear cache and cookies. I mean, corrupted browser data can sometimes break media playback and audio. Next, disable hardware acceleration. GPU conflicts can sometimes affect audio and video playback in Firefox. Now, update your audio drivers. Yeah, outdated drivers are a common cause of sound not working in browsers. If nothing works, reinstall Firefox. I mean, this fixes corrupted browser files that may affect audio playback. And that's it. One of these fixes should restore sound in Firefox on Windows and get everything working again. Get everything